Hey guys, guess who it is? Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM FM radio out of a 1973 Buick Grand Sport. That's a Century Grand Sport. And it comes from Mark in Lexington, Illinois. So thank you very much, Mark, for your business from halfway across the country. Mark has requested the modern internal conversion. It's not really an FM conversion because the radio already had FM, but he's also requested the USB feature. So we're going to test everything out, make sure everything works. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
A crazy person, Eli Mistel.
And so while we're on talk radio, let's go ahead and demonstrate the balance and fader functions. Going to activate the front rear fader.
Who exercises before speech.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
MSC
All the way front, all the way rear,
Tiffany Cross.
front, rear.
And he suggested
Okay,
that all
I'm
of
going
the
to center
criticism
them.
of Ketanji Brown Jackson is actually
Fader set.
Fader set.
It will be hard not
Okay,
to punch
left,
somebody
right,
in the
balance.
Balance adjust.
All the way left, all the way right, left,
The biggest
right.
challenge is her not getting
Okay,
up out of her
center
chair
them.
and punching one of these fools in the mouth. Like that.
Balance
balance
set.
adjust.
All they have
Balance
for her
set.
right now
All right, let's
is
test the
racism
USB
and
rear real
disgusting
quick.
innuendo.
We don't need this stuff
First of all, I would
anymore.
love to see Eli Mistel truly try to punch
All right, make
somebody
sure
like
we
Josh Allen
play
in the
my
mouth.
radio
Yeah, that goes for
commercial.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, but it's a 69. But she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car.
Okay,
then Eli Mistel
pull the
was
stick,
done.
radio
And he
comes
says,
back.
"How we have
Okay, now let's go to FM. I have all 5 of the station presets set to stations in my area so we can get through this really quick.
At a severe angle to the plane of the Earth's orbit. Place that controls the date and what
Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. We're going to test the dial light, make sure that you can see that dial light flashing on and off inside the unit. You can see it a little bit from the front panel, but you can really see it from elsewhere inside the unit. So that takes care of that. I love these flip dials. These flip dials are so cool. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this wasn't a real fancy job. It was already FM, so I can't brag about the fact that I added FM, but it came in non-working, and it's going out fully working. So that takes care of that. Thank you, Mark, for your business all the way from Lexington, Illinois. Thank you guys for watching and listening. My website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.